Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto airdrops and how to avoid nasty scams. What are airdrops? First, let's talk about airdrops. These are marketing tools where crypto projects give away free tokens to users. It's a way to generate interest and get people involved in a new project. Sounds great, right? Fashion side. Airdrop scams. But here's the catch. Scammers love airdrops too. They create fake airdrops to steal your crypto. Yikes. How do airdrop scams work? There are a few ways these scams work. Here are some common tricks. Fake profiles, random websites. Scammers create fake social media accounts and websites that look real. They might even impersonate popular influencers. Fake airdrop claims. They'll offer a fake airdrop and trick you into connecting your wallet to a malicious site that steals your crypto. Fake token, NFT airdrops. They might send you fake tokens or NFTs with instructions on how to claim a fake airdrop, leading you to a scam site. How to stay safe? Don't worry. There are ways to protect yourself. Here are some tips. Do your research. Always research the airdrop before you participate. Check the project's website and social media. Are they legit? Verify information sources. Don't trust everything you see online. Double-check the source of information before jumping in. Never share your keys. Legitimate airdrops will never ask for your private keys or recovery phrase. Keep these safe. Only connect to real sites. If you need to connect your wallet, make sure you're on the real website. Look for typos in the URL. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be cautious and do your research. Airdrops can be a great way to earn free crypto, but be aware of the scams. By following these tips, you can stay safe and avoid getting ripped off. Have you ever encountered an airdrop scam? Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.